if 3 Zoogs is equal to 5 Moogs, and 7 Joogs is equal to 3 Moogs, how many Joogs are equal to 35 Zoogs? Should be R right over here. R equal to. Okay, so 3 Zoogs equals 5 Moogs, and 7 Joogs equals 3 Moogs. And we need to find out 35 Zoogs equals some number of Joogs. Okay, so one way to do this is to take make these 3 and 5 into have a common number, so we'll turn them each into 15. And so this one we multiply by 5, so we can multiply by 5 over here, so we'd have 35 Joogs equals, and then we multiply by 3, so it's 9 Zoogs, and then that means that since these are the same, we could say 9 Zoogs equals 35 Joogs, and then you can mess with the proportions a bit. You could like divide by 9 and then multiply by 35, and you could see whatever that number is. And that's one way of going about it. Or you could go about it by this unit conversion way. So I'm going to start with 35 Zoogs, and I am just going to multiply by 1. Okay? That's going to be 35 over 1, I guess. So my goal is to cancel out the Z and end up with a J at the end, so I can figure out what it's equal to. So I'm just going to multiply by 1, okay? I know that 3Z equals 5M, so multiplying by 5M over 3Z, I'm just multiplying by 1, nothing big. But you see these 3 Z's cancel out, this and that doesn't quite cancel out. But you see, now I have 35 times 5M over 3 is the same thing as 35Z. And now I can multiply by, well, I need to get rid of this M and put it in terms of J, so I'm going to multiply, I'm going to put the 3M in the denominator and the 5J in the numerator. Again, since these two are equal, 1 over the other is equal to 1. So now these two cancel out, and now I have 35 times 5 times 7 over 9J. That is how many 35, that's how much 35 Zoogs are equal to. So you basically solve this proportion and you get your answer. Thank you much for watching, and goodbye.